always have integration under calculus, the one that comes in paper 1. Okay, so here they say integrate y is equals to like that. We're given this equation. So sometimes under integration they don't provide the word integrate. They might provide what you call an integral. So integral, it is like this. So this is an integral. So sometimes instead of them providing the integral of the equation, the dx, they can provide a equation like that. So we must get to understand to say calculus, it is divided into what you call differential and integration. So this is an integral, this is an integral, this is the way the equation usually comes about. Now we must get to understand to say if you are given an integration integral, or if you are required to integrate what you call the calculus. So what you are going to do, you are going to be adding the powers plus 1, then you divide the powers with the base. So now what are you going to do? We are going to have an equation which is x, just like that. This is negative 3 plus 1. We are going always we add plus 1 if we are dealing with what you call integration. So we are going to divide with the power which is negative 3 plus 1. Just you can see that we are dividing whatever we have on the power down as the denominator. And now we are going to have negative. Here this is 3x to the power 4. We are going to say plus what? Plus 1. Then now the same 4 plus 1, we are going to add it on the denominator as 4 plus what? 1. Guess we can see that. And now our next procedure, it is where we are going to have 5. Remember this 5 does not have any variable of x. So meaning we are going to write 0 plus what? 1. Divided by what? Divided by 0 plus 1. Then now we are going to add plus c, which is the constant. So whenever we are dealing with the calculus under what you call the integration, it is very important and vital that we should not be leaving out the c from there. So this c represents the constant. So as we are given this kind of an equation, we are going to have x, this is negative 3 plus 1, the answer is negative 2, then divided by negative 2, just like that. Guess we can see that. And now our next procedure, we are going to have negative 3, like that. Then now we are going to add 4 plus 1, the answer is 5, over 4 plus 1, it is 5. Guess we can see that. Then now we are going to say plus, this is 5, like that. 0 plus 1, the answer we are going to have, it is just x. You know, if you write 5x, it simply means that there is a power 1. So it is the one that is represented from here. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So what we are going to have, we are going to have 1. So we are going to have x, just like that, to the power 1, just like that. Okay, then divided by 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then plus c. Guess we can see that. So if this number can go into 1, we would have divided. Now this can't go into 1, so we are going to just write x negative 2. We can see that divided by negative what? Negative 2. Then now minus. This cannot go into 3. So you can't divide. Please never divide if at all we are having a fractional number. So we are going to have 3x to the power 5 over 5. Just like that. Then 1 can go into 5, we are going to write what? 5x. Just like that. Then plus what? c. Don't leave out the c. Once you leave out the c, it simply means that you can be marked wrong. The 2 marks you can leave out the 2 marks minus c, then marking you. Okay, so once you are done with this, it simply means that you've just concluded under what you call the calculus. Please don't forget to register and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me very well as I will be doing other questions pertains to calculus. Okay, remember this has been your tutor, Mr. RB. Follow for more. Bye bye.